Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get free dice in the Qixi Fair event in Heartopia. So dice are really important because you need them to move around the Qixi Fair board like this. And then there are several ways to get free dice, so let's go through them one by one. First, you can get free dice from the Milestone rewards like this. You can see it. The more you play the Qixi Fair board game, the more progress that you will make like this on here. And every time you reach a certain milestone, you can claim free dice. And then next you can also get the dice from the current quest. This one, current quest over here. Just complete all the quests and you will get the free dice on here. And you can also get free dice from the daily quest or resident request. this one this one, so make sure you keep complete all the daily quests every day on here. In total you will get 5 dice per day. And yeah, you can also get the free dice directly from the GC Fair board. This GC Fair board, while playing, if you land on the tile with this icon, this questions mark icon, you will receive 1 free dice as a reward. So if you want to keep playing the GC Fair without running out of dice, just make sure to check your milestone reward on here, and then current quest over here, and then daily quest, and just keep playing and until you get this questions mark. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.